Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Innisfree Volcanic nose pack. Now these nose packs have been used by almost a lot of us and people have loved it too much. I have been using this since a year and a half and I have always used this to remove my blackheads and it has done wonders, trust me, because who would want some parlor girl of yours to just pull your blackheads with a with a steel needle kind of thing? I'm going to tell you the detail part of this one, so without any further ado, let's get started. Now this nose pack, I am only left out with this one. I have used one more for this video and this is the second one and the last one that I'm left out with. I use this a lot to remove my blackheads, to get rid of my blackheads, stubborn blackheads on my nose, and my nose stay shiny and blackhead free for a long time. At least you can use this once a month for best results. Now this one retails for 250 rupees for 6 strips, which is worth every penny. Let me tell you, it's very affordable. And the basic process of using this is you wet your nose a little bit and then apply it on your nose and let it sit for 20 minutes and then all your blackheads will be gone. Now I really don't like getting my nose pulled with a needle or pulled with that steel thing that everyone uses in the salon while we go for facials and all, to pull out the blackheads, and because it's very painful. With this one it has always been easy because it pulls out all the blackheads and whiteheads and everything that I have on my nose tip, and along with the small hair growth that happens, that comes to few people on the nose, a little bit very small hair that you cannot even see with your eyes. It just pulls it out all with just 15-20 minutes. You have to apply water and apply this nose strip, let it sit, let it dry for 15 minutes and then pull it very slowly, and then you would be good to go for 15-20 days. Your nose would look shiny and clean for a long time. I'm going to show you how it went for me. So that's all for my short review on Innisfree Volcanic nose pack. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.